Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming requirements. You are signed into Microsoft and the file is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint. Now, open the document in Word, then choose File and Info. Once there, click Version History to load prior saves. You will see timestamps and author names. Click an entry to preview. This first action fetches server-stored snapshots, so make sure syncing is complete before you proceed. If preview appears blank, wait a few seconds and refresh the version history pane. Once you open a prior version, you can preview it in read-only mode. You can also compare it to the current file. Click Compare or Open Version, then toggle the panes to see deletions, additions, and formatting shifts. This comparison helps you decide whether to restore fully or copy specific sections. Make sure to inspect author notes and autosave markers because they reveal intent and timing. If changes look merged, use side-by-side view to clearly identify each. To finalize, either click Restore to replace the current document with the selected version, or choose Save a Copy if you want both versions preserved. You can also open the prior version and selectively copy text or images into the live document, useful when only parts are needed. If version history is missing, make sure OneDrive/SharePoint syncing is active and you are signed into the correct account. Also verify the file was edited after being saved to the cloud. Otherwise, no versions exist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.